OnePage CRM works well for both B2B and B2C sales. After all, even if you sell to organizations, you still talk to individuals. And that's why in order to create an organization in OnePage CRM, you first need a contact. Your action stream prioritizes interactions, but you can switch between the B2B and B2C views. Even if you just need an alphabetically sorted list, go to the Contacts tab and click Organizations. The account view is a summary of everything that is going on with an organization in your CRM. Their logo and main details, the total value of won and pending deals, associated contacts and their follow-up actions, and a list of pending deals with their assigned contacts. You can open the account view from different pages. From your action stream, so long as the organization has more than one contact. From the contact view by clicking on the organization's name or logo, or in the organization's list, as we've just seen a moment ago. You can add more contacts to the organization straight from the account view, link contacts from other organizations, such as external stakeholders, or filter all contacts associated with this company, which is handy for sending a bulk email or assigning them to other team members. Your database rarely stays the same. Sometimes people leave organizations. Instead of deleting contacts, split them from a company in one click. You can enter a new organization or leave it blank for now. To add new contacts to an organization faster, just click on Clone and we'll automatically populate some of the fields. Similar to Contacts custom fields, there are different field types you can create for an organization. Display them either only in the account view or also on the contact pages. Section dividers for organizations are especially useful if you have multiple teams using one CRM. Sales reps and account managers often need different data. Now, contacts and organizations are two sides of the same coin. If you're editing a contact and suddenly realize that the organization's phone number has changed too, easily switch to the organization editing mode. And if you usually have multiple contacts in one organization, you can sync their statuses and tags. Let's say you haven't converted Acme Inc. yet. If the sync is enabled, all contacts associated with this company will be automatically labeled as prospects. So that's it for now, but make sure to check out our other videos to get a full idea of how OnePage CRM works.